Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish tutoring video. In this video we will learn to write and pronounce the numbers between 9,000 and 9,999, or los números del 9,000 al 9,999. Let's begin. The prefix we will be using for the numbers between 9,000 and 9,999 are based on the word 9,000, and the words are 9,000. This will be the common prefix used for all the numbers between 9,000 and 9,999. Here we see random numbers from 9,000 to 9,999, in which I've already written down the prefix 9,000. I will continue to write down the remaining words. For what I want you to do is write after me, as well as pronounce right after me as I say every number and word. Alright, let's begin. The first one is 9,000, which is 9,000. It stays as it is the prefix that we use throughout. The next one is 9,001, or 9,001. 9,001. The next one is 9,003, which is 9,003. The next one is 9,010, which is 9,010. The next one is 9,038, which is 9,038. The next one is 9,067, which is 9,067. The next one is 9,100, which is 9,100. The next one is 9,108, which is 9,108. Let me erase that. 9,108. The next one is 9,186, which is 9,186. 186. The next one is 9,276, which is 9,276. 9,276. The next one is 9,323, which is 9,323. The next one is 9,485, which is 9,485. 9,485. The next one is 9,562, which is 9,522. 522. The next one is 9,763, which is 9,763. 9,763. Alright, let's go to the next one. 9,849. 9,849. 9,849. The next one is 9,976, which is 9,976. 976. The next one is 9,985, which is 9,985. 985. The next one is 9,990, which is 9,990. 990. And the final number is 9,999, which is 9,999. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this ends this video. Please like this video as well as subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Remember to stop and rewind as many times as you can to be able to pronounce the word as well as write down the word after me. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.